Hey everybody, I'm really excited. I just got a box full of collectibles and other memorabilia that will be on display at the Nerd Wall at the Uptycs booth at RSA. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Jaime Franklin. I am a part of the cloud team at Uptycs, and I have been lucky enough to receive this box, to be able to open this box and give you kind of a glimpse as to what's going to be available at RSA at our booth as giveaways. So let's open this up and let's get started. So as I look at this, the first thing that we have is the Volume 1 Geiger. The Volume 1 Geiger, this is written by Geoff Johns. For those of you that don't know Geoff Johns, he was a part of really revitalizing the Justice Society at DC Comics. He worked on Green Lantern and The Flash, as well as he was a major contributor to all of, not all, but most of the DC movies. So this is him going out on his own and starting a new comic. This is Volume 1 of Geiger. So stop by, take a look at Geiger. Let's see what else we have here. For those of you that are big fans of the series Lock and Key, the Netflix series, we have pins from Lock and Key. Let's see what else. For those of you that are into the Japanese manga series, we have the Demon Slayer, which is the Demon Slayer Corp. Stop by, take a look at that. In addition to the Demon Slayer, we also have, this is actually pretty interesting. It is a Volume 1 of Witches. For those of you that are not familiar with Witches, this is a Scott Snyder work. Scott Snyder started this, and it's based on Sailor Rook and her interaction with the witches. And this is a series. It's a limited series. There were 6-issue comic books, and they actually have made a series of this. It's an animated series based on this character that you can actually see on Amazon Prime. Let's see what else. Okay, we have the Usagi Yojimbo or Origins book. This is a Stan Sakai, and it follows Miya Yamamoto, who is a samurai rabbit. Again, this is a first edition or a Volume 1 of the story. In addition to those, we also have Invisible Republic. This is actually kind of unique. It was a husband and wife team that started this, and as part of this Invisible Republic, they thought they would do a 30 to 50 volume run in this, and they've got to Volume 15 and have stopped at Volume 15. So there hasn't been a new one since 2017. But this is the start of the story. This is the Volume 1 of the Invisible Republic. For those of you music fans, if you're familiar with the music of, the internet music of Poppy, this is a graphical novel based on Poppy. So in this book, Genesis 1, it's about Poppy, and as you would expect, the story revolves around the main character Poppy, who is an android entertainment android. And as part of that, she starts to figure out the world in the outside world based on diving into the internet. So this is the first edition in that series, and the graphical novel. Let's see what else. We have some Pop Hawkeye figurines. In addition to the Hawkeye figurine, we also have another Pop. This is Thor, the Love and Thunder Pop figurine of Thor. We also have an older version of a DC Superman comic. This has Batgirl and Superman together in this version of the comic. And then last but not least, we have the Batman board game. So the Batman The Dark Knight Returns, the board game. So stop by. We're in the Moscone Center, in the South Expo Hall at the Moscone Center, and we're booth number 0335. Again, South Moscone Hall, booth number 0335. Hope to see you there, and in addition to all of this, you'll be able to see other memorabilia that will be given out instead of the random tchotchkes that you typically get, you're gonna see, and we'll be able to potentially get one of these collectibles. In addition, we'll have Dean Cain at our booth. So we're actually going to have Superman at the booth, and you get to meet the Uptycs superhero, and you and be able to interact with them, take pictures with Dean Cain and with the Uptycs superhero, the Unifier. So hope to see you there. Thanks a lot.